Sup fam, it's Musashden. This week is a bit of an insight into my OC, Cameron, the Demon Queen. She originates from my long retired original Magical Girl comic Element Warriors, where she was the co-leader of the group along with Genesis. Back then, Cameron's element was fire, and through every revamp she's kept that ability, though now it's more of just a power she was born with rather than a magical attack. She can just summon it now because she's the Queen of Demons. Yeah, she went from being the one American kid in a Japanese school to being the one demon forced into the human world by an evil witch. I still kept her bright hair and brazen attitude and gave her a battle scar to show that she's been through a lot in her life. She still doesn't fit in amongst normal teenagers, but now it's because she isn't a teenager. Her new incarnation in Red always feels like her life is wrong and doesn't understand why she can't relate to those around her. And as the story goes, she realizes she's the Demon Queen thanks to her husband finally tracking her down and setting her free from the witch's control. I put a new spin on her new story, as this time after the spell is broken, she still remembers and loves her adopted sisters and is forever changed by their love for her. It's like she wakes up a different person. See, there was the Cameron before she got put under the spell, the person she was while under the spell, and now who she is now that it's broken, which is a deeply confused and moody demon. When updating her look, I went back to see if I could salvage anything from her magical girl days like I did with Genesis, and the only thing I attempted was her fire motif. No more Chuck Taylors, her long duo braid is gone, her big Goku eyes are gone, although I did give her back her original green eye color. During the first run of Red, I had changed her eyes to hazel for some unknown reason, but now I'm trying to set her apart from my other leading lady, Kiddo, who also has red hair. Alright, here's Cameron in her new form for the new version of Red, due out early 2019. She went from spunky magical girl to sorta spunky demon queen. See the full res on my DeviantArt gallery. That's it for this week's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I update every Friday, and you can also follow me on DeviantArt and Instagram. I'm Musashden here, there, and everywhere. Thanks for watching.